So I just finished eating my breakfast here at the Manila Lotus Hotel. And so today is the second day of my medical. So I'm gonna get the test results. So hopefully okay naman yung result. So I'll get back to you guys. Bye bye. I just got back here sa hotel, and so yeah, today is the second day of my St. Luke's medical for my K1 visa interview. Again, just an overview. Your medical results from St. Luke's and only from St. Luke's is one of the requirements for you to proceed with your K1 visa interview appointment. And today I finally received mine. And since the experience is still fresh in my mind, I just want to tell you guys everything that I can still remember. Okay, so 3 things that they gave me for releasing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the brown envelope that you have to bring to your US visa appointment. This is the only one. And ito yung pinaka goal mo to bring to your visa appointment interview. So ito, and then they also gave me another, this one, this one, and this one, this paper. So ito yung receipt. This other paper is all about the injections that they gave you on your second day. And this one is your chest x-ray. This one is also sealed and you cannot also access it. So you are not required to bring these 2 things on your visa appointment interview, just this one. Anyway, it will be explained naman sa releasing window. So if you can't understand what I'm saying right now, it's okay. Kasi like what I mentioned, you don't need to know everything. Just gather all the requirements and you should be fine. All the people at St. Luke's, they are helpful. They will tell you what to do. Just be attentive on the day of your schedule. So ayun na nga. Today is just a very, very chill day. It's true that for me, on my experience, it's true that if they give you a yellow piece of paper, you are going to proceed with the immunization the next day. So yun, ito yung paper na na-receive ko. I'm not sure how much I can show you guys, but yeah, this is the paper. And then at the back, it says you need to come back at 8 a.m. and that's what I did. I came back prior, quarter to 8, I guess. So I came back prior to 8, and then the guard took the paper. He took my PDS number, or patient data sheet number. He keyed it into the computer, and the computer will say if you are going to do immunization or something else. So yeah, while he was checking it on the computer, I was so scared. And then when he entered in, nakalagay doon for immunization, and I'm so happy. And he stamped the white paper. It says immunization, 2nd floor. And I was so relieved. I was so relieved. So pag akit mo ng 2nd floor, you will have to wait for your name to be called. And so familiar faces you saw from yesterday. And it's so nice to see that after all the processes, you will see the same faces. Nandun na kayo sa part na yun, na ano na kayo for immunization. And then after that, once your name is called, you will proceed with the injection. Just a few questions coming from the nurse just to verify your identity, to make sure na ikaw talaga yung nag-a-apply ng visa, and to make sure na ikaw yung tinurukan ng immunization, stuff like that. So for me, what she asked me was my personal information, my name, date of birth, and she will ask your information repeatedly, and I think there's no trouble with that kasi personal information naman yun, no? Kahit pagbalik-baliktarin mo yung mundo, yun at yun lang yung sasagot mo, your middle name, your last name, your first name, date of birth, yeah. And I realized every after injection, she will have to ask the same question. They also asked me the information of my fiance. So he asked Matthew's name multiple times. She asked for his phone number and email address. And yeah, I have a friend yesterday that I just met. She was being interviewed dun sa first process and she doesn't know the address of her fiance. And it cost a long queue. Alam mo yun, imbis na mabilis lang siya, it's taking a while because of her. So, you know, na-stop yung pila because of she was looking for the information throughout their chat, and it's not good, guys. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but you know, just to make your life easier, just memorize the address, especially dun ka naman titira, so eventually you will have to memorize it. So the nurse asked me some information about myself, like if I had any chicken pox before, mga things like that. Yun, kaya nyo na yun, guys. I also declared that I have liposuction, guys. And so if you have any operation, guys, and it's very far from the lungs, you know, I think it's fine that you let them know, because it's necessary for them to know, because they will check what type of injection they will give you. Like on my case, at first, she told me na, okay ma'am, based on your country that you're going to, you're supposed to get four vaccines, and also because you're 30 years old, and blah blah blah. As we go along, she asked me if I had chickenpox before, and I showed her a scar. So she changed her statement. So sabi niya, okay ma'am, since you already had chickenpox before, I'm only gonna give you 3 vaccines, and that's indicated on the other paper that you're gonna receive. And yun, dali lang siya. And I think it's painful. The nurse will give you like a heads up anyway. She will say, oh, medyo mabigat yung injection, okay, blah blah blah. So I think it's good that you guys eat and you had good sleep last night, okay? Because masakit nga siya, and yeah, it's true that it's kind of like mabigat. It's like the COVID injections that we received, parang ganon. She also gave me a heads up that I might get sick, ganyan. She just told me that I should just take paracetamol. And then after that, she instructed me to go down, and I think that's the longest part because I had to wait very long. So even if it's the second day, I would suggest for you guys to come in early. Like if they said 8 o'clock, be sure to be there maybe like 7. Kasi ako yung nangyari sa akin, 12 o'clock yung check-out ko here, and I only booked 2 nights. So yeah, I'm supposed to check out by 12. So as I speak right now, I only have remaining 50 minutes. So yeah, I think the longest part is the releasing, and on this one, they didn't ask for my other documents that I brought yesterday, but I brought it anyway. But yeah, they only asked for my passport, so be sure to bring your passport. Siguro, I waited for like 2 hours. Yeah, I think 2 hours talaga. That's the longest process, you know? Kasi medyo matagal yung queue, because pag ikaw na yung nasa window, they will have to explain to you the documents, you know, and they will make you check your information. So what I would suggest, guys, is make a note on your phone, put in your passport number, your NVC case number, your USCIS number, your interview information, like your date and time, ganyan. So that's what I did. So ayan, nakalagay. Nalagay ko visa 2024 and then USA flag. So ayan, everything that I need about my visa application, I put it here. So every time na kailangan nila or kailangan mong i-double check, kasi guys, these numbers are very, very important, okay? They will validate your information online, and if yung number na nasa computer nila and yung number na nandun sa papers mo is different, or sa record mo it's different, you'll have problem, guys. So be sure to have your numbers on hand. And yeah, the personnel there they will ask you to verify your information, make sure the spelling of your name is correct, make sure that your address is correct. So yun lang, guys. I am so happy that I finally have it. As I exit out of the St. Luke's Clinic, it's just sad to see some other people, familiar faces that I was doing the medical with yesterday. They were outside, and there is a delay kasi na-enroll sila sa Sputum Academy. Paglabas ko, tinawag ako ni ate. She was like, "Are you done?" Ay, hindi pala. Tagalog pala, sabi niya. "Tapos ka na?" Sabi ko, "Yes po, kayo po." And she was like, "Sputum ako." And I just told her, "Okay lang yan. Good luck." And then I put a smile on my face. So, yeah, I think if I was there, malulungkot ako kasi, alam mo yun, why does it have to be? Why there has to be an extra step? Ganon, di ba? Why there has to be an extra step for me? Well, all the others, they just get their medical as easy as that. Alam mo yun? So, if you guys were sputumed, that's okay. I think I should just say, just think of it as a delay, just a delay. It doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot come anymore. There's just an extra step for you because you are special. So, don't feel super bad, okay? Kasi ang dami talagang horror stories about the sputum, and they made the sputum seem like you're gonna end there, you know? Hindi ganon. It's just an extra step, okay? And don't feel super bad. Ang dami ding stories sa YouTube. I watched it, and some of them felt very bad, you know. But they passed eventually, and they're now in the United States. So, yun guys, if you guys are sputum, that's okay, okay? And for some of you guys who are yet to do your medical, obviously you want to be healthy before your medical exam for your visa, okay? So alam nyo na, just try to be healthy as possible. And for that, I'll try to make a separate video of what I did exactly para naman, you know, hindi tayo mag-gatekeep ng information. I want to share everything that I know because I've been there, you know. So yun lang guys, I only have exactly 44 minutes to get ready. I need to pack up and book my Grab to go home. I will continue my storytelling about my experience yesterday. Ayan guys, so wala na akong space sa camera, so dito lang sa phone. So yan, pa-check out na ako. Dito sa Manila Lotus Hotel, they will give you this paper. And make sure that hindi nyo to iwawala. This is a receipt for your deposit. Just 1,000 pesos. And you will get it sa front desk as you check out. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much Manila Lotus Hotel for my 2 great nights. For my stay, the people are very, very friendly. And it's kind of sad that my alone time is over. So, and guys, see you guys at home and continue our chikahan about this medical when I get back home. Bye bye.